Sarah, what are those? Are those daddy's shoes? Are those daddy's shoes? Sienna, put daddy's shoes on. Can you walk in them? Why don't I back up over here? Let me see you walk in them. Can you turn them around? Or are they too big? Oh! Did you fall down, go boom? Sarah, what are those? They're shoes? Are those daddy's shoes? Hi, half naked girl. You don't like wearing a top anymore, do you? They are shoes. Can you say Dada's shoes? Hello. Can you go put them on? Can you look at mommy?